Liverpool, the Mersey Sound. A sound that means something different from what it did when Liverpool was just an important port. Because now, much to its surprise, the great northern city has got a new industry, as incongruous as the soot on its classical buildings. Liverpool's cathedral, built painfully slowly through the years, as what? As a mecca for this new generation of long-haired inhabitants, not unconnected with its latest product? Not really. You'll find more of them gathered together in a gramophone record shop. The Mersey Sound, yes, Liverpool selling pop music. Liverpool setting the fashion in Beatle hairdos that baffle you as to a person's gender. Liverpool kids are proud of the fact that their city is providing the world with beat music and an offbeat cult of fashion that has knocked their great docks as a municipal money spinner well into second place. Tune in for a bit. The Mersey Sound, which has made itself heard, and to go with it, just consider that Mersey hairdo, at present blinkering the teenage world. This too is a Liverpool creation, so watch the top Lime Street expert go to town. The scissors are a mere reminder of the barber's misspent past. In Liverpool, this long, lank hairstyle is a must, compulsory, unless you've got the corkscrew sort of hair that can't be coaxed. And this is something rich that the city fathers, in all their wisdom and foresight, never foresaw. It might be Rome, this city centre, and certainly these young people, if they had togas, could pass as citizens of the period of Rome's decline. Study these senators. But to see Liverpool, you must see the Mersey Tunnel. They're even more proud of it than they are of their cathedral. Because anyway, the Liverpool kids have another cathedral, a cellar called the Cavern, where their new £1,000,000-a-year music started up. Be still, those of you who are middle-aged. Be silent, ye young addicts to the Mersey Sound. This is the holy of holies of the age of beat. These are the Mersey Sound pilgrims. Like it or not, this is the rich new market for music, if that's what you call it, and a whole new range of consumer goods that never could be sold before. And tonight, they're going to elect the new top guitar group that can make the music they appreciate. 1,000 groups all through the country competed for this honor. And the start is quiet enough in all conscience. The session at the Cavern is underway, and they've got a Manchester group, the Codells, yelling for attention. Well, now get ready to meet the group that's destined to win, the Jinx from Berkhamsted, and see if you'd have given them the crown. this. Here at the Cavern, the Cathedral of Pop Music, this group was voted tops, the champion sound of the year, as the scene shifts and the drovers from Sidcup get ready for the fray. Get the message, do you? Can you hear me? Do you understand why this type of music has hit Tin Pan Alley stupid? Forget this amateur contest and meet the professional stars of the evening, the Mersey Beats. It's hot in here. In the end, you want to tunnel your way into the daylight to assess this brand new money-spinning activity that Liverpool has inflicted on a long-suffering world. Still ready to pay big money for whatever joy there is in the Mersey Sound. I just don't know. This Anglo-Irish port was famous for its sea shanties long before Victoria was queen. It's a city of song. It always has been. But is this the Mersey music that will live on?